Welcome to today's episode of Your Cruise Questions Answered, where we answer your cruise questions and debunk cruise myths. In association with our Facebook page P&O, Iona and Avia, stupid questions are not stupid. Our information videos assume you are cruising with P&O Cruises. Let's begin. In today's episode, we will guide you through the use of the P&O Cruises mobile interface, also often referred to as the app. This is your portal for onboard bookings, your shore experiences, onboard account, and many other things. 1. Open the Wi-Fi connection manager on your mobile device. 2. Look for the Wi-Fi network called P&O Cruises Guest Wi-Fi. There is no charge to connect to this. 3. Open your browser, Chrome or Safari, and browse to myholiday.pocruises.com. 4. You will be presented with the welcome screen. You will need to have the last 6 digits of your cruise card to hand. 5. Fill in the details required. Tip: tick the Remember Me box to save time later. 6. You will now be presented with the home screen for your account where you can book dining, book your shore experiences, book your entertainment, book your child into Kids Club. I will show you a sample of what some of the pages within the app look like. This is the My Bookings page. This will show you a summary of all of your bookings. This includes the ones made before you boarded. This is the You Booking page. As you can see, you booked today for tomorrow. Booking opens at around 8 a.m. prompt. These 2 screens show your onboard account and spending summary. You can also view the room service menu too. In summary, follow these simple steps and you'll be away in no time. A point to note, this chart shows what the app on each of the different ship offers. If you run into any difficulties, the team on board are on hand to help. As a rule, embarkation day the team will be in the atrium helping with this task. If you are in any doubt, contact P&O Cruises directly, where they will be able to assist you further. The contact details are on screen now. If you found this short video helpful, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel and joining our Facebook group. Details are in the description below. Have a great day and an amazing cruise.